Some of you have been asking, where can I get the student's state ID number so that they can log into the Smarter Balanced, either the interim test or the end of the year test? So I'm going to show you a quick way of doing it. I've gone to californiatac.org and I'm going to click on the Test Operations Management System, TOMS, and I'm going to need to log into the TOMS system. I'm going to come down to where it says Reports. I'm going to click on Reports, and I want this student report. Looks like it's the only report there right now. And I'm going to go ahead and select a school. And download report. So the report downloads. I'm in the Chrome browser right now, so it shows down here in the corner. So let me go ahead and open up that file that I just downloaded. And it looks something like this. Let me expand it out a little bit. It'll give me a list for the school. It'll give me a list of the students, their first name and their last names. I've got dummy data in here right now, along with their SSID or state ID number. So I'm going to use this file in a mail merge with Word to create a card that the student can have to log in for testing. So let me go ahead and close this out. And I'm going to open up Microsoft Word and go to Mailings, Start Mail Merge, go down to Labels, and I'm going to use a 5164 shipping label. It's 3 1/3 by 4. That'll give me a good size card to hand out. And then I'm going to select the recipients, and I'm going to use an existing list. It's that list I just downloaded. And now I'm going to I'm going to go to Insert Merge Field, and let's put their first name. Come down a couple spaces and put their SSID. Now remember, when a student logs in, they're going to need their first name, and it's not just their SSID, but it's CA and a dash and then their SSID. So I'm going to add that there. And I think I'm going to make this a little bit larger. Let's see, maybe 18 point, and maybe I'll center it on the card. So let me go back to Mailings now. And now what I'm going to do is replicate this on each of the cards on the sheet, and I do that just by clicking on Update Labels. And now I'll go to Finish Merge, come down to Edit Individual Documents. I'm going to do all my students. And here's a set of cards. Now here's their first name, CA dash their SSID. I can take this and cut this up and hand this out to the students. And I know some of you are going to be asking me, well, why didn't you put the last name on here? The state has cautioned us, since this is secure information, not to put the student's first and last name. Just the first name, CA, and their SSID. You have the last name. It's on the Excel spreadsheet that you downloaded. If you keep this document sorted in the same way that that Excel spreadsheet is sorted, you will have their last name. You can use that for sorting if you want to sort it by name or by class. You can use that Excel document along with these cards to help you do that.